grit your teeth and get some sleep this evening. Counting sheep, restless feet in a tangled heap, a cotton blend, a mystery unwoven, fraying at the seams. Brightest colors, muted light, let's say goodnight. Say goodnight. Stand in line, will hold me up, hide my lies unspoken, rusting metal wires, signal lost to the in-between, broadcast to an empty screen. The viewers ask, what does it mean? Under squeaking fans and tangled sheets unwoven, fraying at the seams. The muted colors, they're lacking light. Let's say goodnight. Let's say goodnight. Let's say goodnight. Let's say goodnight. Landline, paper maps, pieces from the past. Breezeway, desire pass, easy, let it pass. I wrote you a letter, I picked out the typeface, taking my sweater, I'm packing a suitcase. This house is a burden, its windows are airways, linoleum tiles, cracking and sun-baked. Backdraft, postage stamps, headline, reading lamp. Ghost notes at the bottom of this conversation. Drop my keys and phone against the rough pavement. Screens crack, but I still can't hear alright. String of words that I think I've used before. Can't think of another creative way to twist it. You feel safe, locked behind your bedroom door. I don't think that I'm ever gonna change that. Above, below, can anybody hear me? These strings, ghost knows, they don't work in theory. Thrift store guitars and improvised drum sets. The kids are looking for a sound they haven't heard yet. Ghost in the woods, will you come out? String of words and I found a new ending. Think I found a creative way to twist it. It's swelling up, just keep on pretending. The truth seems like the only thing you wanna mess with. Above, below, can anybody hear me? These strings, ghosts know.